Okay, boys, welcome. Week 9, Hale at home, trying a couple of new things. First of all, trying this video. Being able to embed a video into your OneNote page can make things a bit easier for us as well as we progress throughout this year. So let's hope that's working all right. And secondly, introducing you to this week's activity. And a little bit complicated, the equivalence theory of gravity. What on earth is that all about? Well, I'm not actually going to tell you. I'm going to get you to work it out. So this week's activity asks you to undertake an experiment that was first done about 450 years ago off the Leaning Tower of Pisa, which I know we have done some work on previously in your mathematics. And a man with the most fantastic name, Galileo Galilei, who discovered lots of things, Italian genius, he did an experiment off the Leaning Tower of Pisa. And I want you to do something very similar, but not in the Leaning Tower of Pisa. 2 water bottles. One empty, one full of water. If I drop them from the balcony here at Hale, I wonder if you can tell me which one would hit the ground first, or what might happen. If I had one that was empty and one was full of sand, what would happen? I want you to get 2 objects that weigh different amounts, really quite a lot different. So a tennis ball and a bucket of sand. Something like that, something really quite strongly different in weight. I want you to think about what you think might happen, then I want you to hold them over a fairly big height, and then I want you to release them at exactly the same time and tell me what happens. What do you notice? And then I want you to be able to tell me exactly what the equivalence theory of gravity is. And it's that key word that I've got highlighted here on this slide that looks a little bit like the word equal. Okay, the equivalence theory of gravity. Week 9, term 2, Hale at home. Well done, fellas.